Pentecostalism didn't begin only by brand new churches starting. There are several cases in the U.S. of entire denominations that were not Pentecostal, accepting Pentecostal beliefs and becoming Pentecostal denominations. One small example is the denomination today known as the Church of God Mountain Assembly. This denomination formed in 1907 after 5 churches were kicked out from a Baptist association for teaching saved individuals could apostatize and teaching an entire sanctification experience. Then in 1909, they accepted Pentecostalism and so today teach 3 experiences: conversion or salvation, sanctification, and baptism of the Holy Ghost, evidenced by speaking in tongues. They also teach that all these spiritual gifts are available today. The church believes in basic Protestant Christian beliefs. They also officially teach a future 1,000-year reign of Christ on earth, and many congregations teach in a rapture of all believers before a 7-year tribulation period, though it's not a required belief. Official teachings of the church urge modesty in clothing and jewelry, and members abstain from alcohol and tobacco. There are 3 ministerial offices: ordained ministers, licensed ministers, and Christian workers. Women can hold the last 2 offices, which means that women may preach, baptize, lead the Lord's Supper, and even pastor local churches in some cases. But ordination is only for men, and this disqualifies them from serving on the Board of 12 Elders, the highest judicial body of the church. Churches elect their own pastors and hold re-elections every 4 years. Most church property belongs to the denomination. What about that name? Originally, the denomination was called just the Church of God, but that got confusing because other denominations had the same name, so they decided to add Mountain Assembly. The CGMA was actually quite close to the largest Church of God denomination, sometimes known as the Church of God Cleveland, Tennessee, and even adopted a similar polity structure because of that. And in fact, the Church of God mistakenly thought that the CGMA was going to merge with them and issued credentials to all CGMA ministers. But no, the CGMA is still around today with around 100 U.S. churches and hundreds more outside of the U.S. Another Holiness Pentecostal denomination like the CGMA, but a much larger one, is the International Pentecostal Holiness Church. Click here to watch the 2-minute video on that church, or for more details on the CGMA, click here.